Hey guys, it's me Nathan, and I made a MIDI synth engine. So that is whatever I press on the piano, it plays on the speaker. It has up to 64 note polyphony. Right now I configured it at 35 note polyphony to reduce lagging issues, because when I use a USB MIDI converter over serial, things slow down. But when you connect this to the computer, it's much faster. So let me show what's happening here. This is a Teensy's 3.2 battery supply. That's the Teensy 3.2 connected with the battery. And there's a speaker, a battery for the audio amplifier. There's a potentiometer so I can control the volume. And this is the USB MIDI converter's battery supply. And this is the MIDI USB cable connected to my piano. This is a Yamaha piano, and this is what it sounds like. And this is what my synth engine sounds like. So the nice thing about MIDI is you can send songs out from the interface. So let me show. This is Rock Piano. I really like this song, so I'm excited to see what it sounds like on my synth engine. So here we go. This is volume control, so I can control the volume. Yep. Sounds very nice. There are other things you can do with this. Maybe you just want to play piano. There's sustain and there's pitch bend. So it's kind of hard to do this. So I'll just press the piano pedal here and put sustain. And while I do that, I'll try pitch bending. Yeah, so pitch bend works. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. That's pretty cool. Yep, that's pretty much it. And this can also run on an Arduino Uno, so that was the hard part. Yep, I'm not using a Teensy's audio library because I ran into polyphony issues. So I decided to write my own engine in C. It's kind of complicated. It's based off of Lutron's synth engine library, so I went in there, spent a few months rebuilding it, and it works very nice. Yep, thanks for watching.